Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be showing you some of the cool little items that I 3D printed over the couple years of me having my 3D printer. And yeah, some of these came with the 3D printer, like the little SD card, so you can like test print, and other ones didn't. So let's start with the ones that came with the 3D printer. As you can see, we have these two things right here. We have a Rhino Head, if you can see that. I don't know if you can. I'm still getting used to it, so I can't really focus that well. But this is a little Rhino Head. You can actually see the eyes and mouth in real life. There you go, you can kind of see it. It just came with the 3D printer. It's a pretty cool thing. I think it was like the food thing that I ever 3D printed. You can just set it right there. Looks pretty cool. Second thing I created, or 3D printed I should say, is a 6-sided dice. This is the second thing I made. As you can see, the dice is kind of messy. Get that to focus. There we go. But it's a little bit messy just because it's the second thing I ever 3D printed, so I didn't know how to make it look better. But yeah, the second thing, it was and everything. Might not be the best to play games with, but it was a cool little thing I made. Now the second thing, the third thing I'm going to be showing you guys is this little ring. I made this, or 3D printed it. See if I can get it to focus. There we go. It is a ring from Lord of the Rings. I don't know, you can't really see the writing on camera just because I can't get my camera to focus today. But it's a little ring with all the writing on it from Lord of the Rings. Fits on your thumb or whatever. Sadly, it doesn't make you invisible. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to show you guys are these little guys. They're little keychains or something, whatever, that have animal prints on them. So let's see, there we go. As you can see, in the middle we have like horseshoes, on the right we have like a dog or wolf, and on the left we have like human footprints. I had a couple other ones, but when we moved I lost them. So yeah, those are pretty cool. Now, last two items, which are a little bit more complicated to print, were these two. I have this little brass knuckle, like paperweight desktop thing. As you can see, it's this little thing. It is obviously made out of plastic, so I wouldn't rely on it to hit anything with. But it does kind of fit. It's big, but it's cool. It kind of just sits on your desk, and it's a good conversation topic, like, why did you 3D print this? It's pretty cool. Last thing, which is probably the hardest thing to 3D print here, is this little fidget spinner. I 3D printed it just because it was a little bit more complicated print for me to test out on. It's a thing I found on the home page when like fidget spinners were getting really big in like what, 2017, I think. But this is a fully 3D printed fidget spinner. As you can see, all the bearings were printed in place, one print. It's pretty cool. Everything spins on its own, rotates. It was really difficult because you did have to get a screwdriver and pry these little bearing things up for it to actually spin. But yeah, I'll put a link in the description to a website that I use to get all my 3D prints off of that I don't make myself. So yeah, I'll put that in the description. I hope you guys liked this quick, almost 4-minute video. If you did, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.